1 year ago today, I hit upload on my first video for the new narrative. And let me tell you, nothing's been the same since. From gray hair chats to wash and go tutorials, from unfiltered bloopers to deep real talk, this year has been nothing short of amazing. 1 year later, we're still here, still fabulous, and still doing the damn thing. And trust me, we're just getting warmed up. Hello everyone, Sylvie here, and welcome to the new narrative. Welcome to my 1 year YouTube anniversary, y'all. We did it. We did it. We did it. Let me tell you something. Relaunching this channel was more than about videos. For me, it was about claiming space. It was about claiming my voice, reclaiming my narrative. At 49, society would have us believe, especially women, they would have us believe that our best years are behind us. You believe that BS? BS. It's BS. Anyway, I wanted to stretch myself, to try something new and prove to myself that I could not only survive it, I could win it. But if I could keep it a stack, I wanted to stack also. I wanted to find different ways to earn money because I'm a girl that likes herself some side hustles. Anything I could do to circumvent the 9-to-5. No disrespect to 9-to-5ers. I just know that it's not for me. So yeah, I do what I can to keep those multiple income streams streaming. But I also wanted to silence that voice inside of me that was like, what if I fail? And answer it with, what if I fly? And so here we are. I didn't just start. I stayed. Woo! Year one was quite a ride. My first upload felt like I was tossing a message in a bottle into the digital ocean. I honestly wondered if I would get any decent type of views. But then came my first comment from a stranger. It was very exciting. So it kind of felt like, okay, the ball is rolling a little bit. We're on to something. There were the early thumbnails that looked, well, let's just say we had humble beginnings. There were the 2 a.m. editing sessions, fueled by coffee and determination. Then there were the days where I posted with zero makeup and prayed the focus would be on my words and not the bags under my eyes. Good times. But slowly I started to see growth. Not just in views, but my confidence, And that's when I realized that the new narrative was more than just a channel. It was a mirror showing me who I was becoming. Now, in terms of milestones, there were plenty. There was getting my first 1,000 subs in 30 days. That one blew my mind. Then getting monetized in 3 months' time. I had to get on here and share the news with y'all that officially the new narrative is fully monetized. Oh, I'm so happy. I was shocked and amazed and so proud. And there was finally being able to add a YouTube shelf to my channel. I worked so hard on that. And I'm very, very proud of it. Products that I designed myself and that I use every day. For example, and who can forget my first video to hit 100,000 views? All because one day I decided to show how I do my wash and go with my gray hair. I could have never foreseen these milestones. It only proves that if you start something, it can go far. But if you don't try, you'll never know. Who knows how much further this channel can take me? But I'm ready for that ride. I'm excited for that journey. And all it took was for me to start. Now, let's be real. These YouTube streets can be rough, y'all. There were weeks where the views were the algorithm acting like it don't know me. And yes, I had trolls too. Always fun when they choose me to project their ish. It's all right though. Shout out to y'all. You're making me money with your engagement. So continue. But I digress. Here's the truth though. I learned to play the long game. I learned not to shrink when things got too quiet. I learned to not lose myself in chasing trends. I kept creating because I felt for the first time in a long time that this thing that I was creating was bigger than me. It was bigger than numbers. This was me showing up for myself. And honestly, that's a win that no one can take away from me. But what really surprised me? The connection. You've turned this solo project of mine into a real community. And that means the world to me. Life is hard. And finding commonplace with others, especially at this age and this stage in our lives, is difficult. And although I can't reach out and hug every one of you guys, I would if I could. Because that's what this channel means to me. This sense of togetherness, this sense of we're all in this. I've read your comments, your suggestions, your DMs, your emails. You've shared your stories of starting over, of finding your voice, of pushing past fear. And I am in amazement. And I am truly humbled by your openness, your candor. And that's when I knew that the new narrative was more than just about me. It's about us, women in midlife, looking to start over, looking to rewrite our stories without apology, without fear. And for every like and every share and every girl, I needed this today, I see you. I thank you. I salute you. So what are my top 3 takeaways for this past year, for this YouTube-iversary of mine? Well, let's see. Well, for one, it's never too late to start. I started at 49 years old. And the crazy thing is that there are people older than me with their own YouTube channels, and they're thriving. So never think to yourself, I've missed my chance. If you got good content, you'll get the audience, no matter your age. I relaunched with barely any subscribers. I think I had like 35, something like that. And now I'm at over 6,500 in a year's time. And this is coming from someone who had tried and failed with YouTube several times. Oh, several times. But I just kept trying. I just kept trying. So no, it's not too late. you're not too late. What else? Authenticity outlasts trends. While I'm a fan of, jumping on, certain trends and certain topics that are very popular and that might bring a lot of views, if you broach these topics, I think ultimately what has worked for me is to just come as I am, gray hair and all. It's easy to fall into a trap of, I got to show up with a full beat face. I got to have the set. I got to have this. I got to have that. And it's different for everyone. But you don't need those things. You just need you. And that's what I did. I brought me. The way y'all see me here, this is me. Okay, this is me on a better day. But I've come on this thing without a beat face, without super styled hair, and my message is always real. It's straightforward, and it's from the heart. So for me, being myself is what helped. And finally, vision plus execution equals magic. Are you an ideas person? Because that's great. Ideas are great. But you have to execute. It doesn't help at all to have the greatest ideas if you don't put them into practice, right? And knowing that you're not going to be perfect is okay, because you can start over as many times as need be. But you do have to start. There's a saying that goes, the world needs dreamers and the world needs doers, but the world needs dreamers who do. And I can't stress it anymore to you. In fact, it's been an underlying message throughout my channel. Just do it. You're going to mess up. You're going to make mistakes. It's part of the process. And it's through the mistakes that you learn. It's through the mistakes that you improve. But you have to do. And that goes for anything in life, not just a YouTube channel, if that's what you choose to do. Any endeavor that you undertake, you got to show up and you got to do it. So yeah, those are my top 3 lessons. So what's next for the new narrative? Bigger conversations, deeper topics, more creative risks, definitely some collaborations. One is on the way, perhaps a few surprises, but definitely more me and more us. Year 1 was me proving that I could do it. Year 2, I'm going to own that. All right, well, that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Special shout out to all of my subscribers. You guys have made this possible. So thank you to all of my new ones, my day ones, and everyone in between. And by the way, for all my subscribers, drop a comment and let me know when you first joined. Let me know what particular video stood out for you. What video really struck a chord with you that you enjoyed. This will help me not only improve my content, but it lets me know that I'm on the right track. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Come on. This train is moving and there's room for you. Welcome. 1 year down, 1 lifetime to go. I'm Sylvie, and this is the new narrative. Let's keep writing our stories together, shall we?